Welcome to our tutorial on renewing your car registration in Florida. Keeping your registration current is crucial for legal driving. Let's explore the 3 ways you can renew it: online, via mobile app, and in person. First, you will receive a renewal notice from the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. This notice includes your vehicle details, renewal fee, and deadline. If you don't receive it, you can still renew using your current registration information. To renew online, visit the Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles website. Enter your license plate number and the last 4 digits of your vehicle identification number. Follow the instructions to pay the renewal fee with a credit or debit card. After completing the process, you'll receive a confirmation email, and your new registration and decal will be mailed to you. To renew via the mobile app, download the official Florida MyDMV app. Log in with your credentials and follow the prompts to enter your vehicle information. Pay the renewal fee using a credit or debit card. Once completed, your new registration and decal will be mailed to you. To renew in person, visit your local tax collector's office or a license plate agency. Bring your renewal notice or current registration and a valid form of payment. Payment methods may vary, so check in advance. After paying the fee, you'll receive your new registration and decal immediately. Ensure you renew by the deadline to avoid late fees. If your registration expires, you may face additional penalties. Always keep your registration and decal in your vehicle. We hope this guide helps you renew your car registration in Florida. Thank you for watching.